Be patient. What's up, money geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in today's video, I want us to take a look at Li Auto. So Li Auto is a Chinese-based EV manufacturer, specifically SUVs in China. So they filed with the SEC to go public here in the United States. So before we get into the details, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So Li Auto is filing to go public here in the United States. If you've seen what's been happening with the market most recently, with Tesla leading the way, with EV manufacturers, it's just going crazy. I think EV is the future and they're proving it. Tesla is actually just blowing everybody and just like tearing it out. So if you look at like here in the United States, Tesla, Nikola Motors, Workhorse, all these other companies in Canada, you see something like Solo, all these other companies that are manufacturing electric cars are really trying to make a name for themselves in this space. So in China, NIO is like the one that everybody knows, and if you've seen in the market, their stock prices have just gone crazy. I think when I was recording the video, they were trading over $14 a share, which is awesome. So Li Auto going public just kind of want to follow in the footsteps of NIO. But here is the difference between why I think that Li Auto has a chance compared to other companies that have gone public. Say for instance Nikola Motor here in the United States. Li Auto already is selling cars. They're not selling a concept. They're selling these SUVs. As a matter of fact, they've sold over 10,000 already. People are driving them. Think about companies that have a concept and they want to manufacture the concept and they're going public. These guys, they prove it. They say we can do it. We can build SUVs. We've sold over 10,000 and before they even think about going public. So I'm super excited about this very IPO. The thing is, they filed the IPO this month. We don't know exactly what day the IPO is going to start trading in the US. So I'm just going to keep watching every single day. When I get up in the morning, I type the ticker symbol LI ideal and see if I can, if it's public already or not. But just so you know, they are ready to go. I'm super excited about it. Again, my reason is because this company is not selling a concept. They are selling a product. They've sold 10,000 of these EV cars already. I dug through their financials and went through the website for this company, and I didn't see anything that kind of scared me. The website looked pretty good. Most of the information that I read on there, I went to their website, read some reviews, and then I looked at their financial. So right now, it's just a very, very minuscule profit from the company. They're not super profitable. But again, if you look over the last 2.5 years, they've been losing money over the last 2.5 years for obvious reason. Most companies, if you take a look, for example, Tesla didn't start really turning a profit until maybe 2 or 3 years into doing what they do now. So I understand that this company wanted to get to this point. So them losing money, I don't think it's a showstopper. And again, as of March to now, they've actually made some profit. I think this last quarter reporting, they made profit, which is good. So it tells me they're heading in the right direction. Imagine them going public and getting this big name and getting exposure and selling more cars, which means that there's more revenue, which means more profit and more growth for the company. So again, I'm excited. I just wanted to bring this to you guys. For those of you that are following EV space, either here in the United States, in Canada, or in Europe, or wherever, specifically in China as well, this would be a good play to keep your eye on. Take a look and see. Depending on where they start, it would be a good idea to go in, pick up a few shares at that very cheap price and see where it goes from there. Again, the thing that gives me comfort is that this company is not just telling you that they want to build EV cars or they have a concept. They have already sold over 10,000 cars or SUVs, which is, I mean, like, that says a lot about them. So as soon as this IPO becomes available, I'm going to jump in there, pick up some of these shares, because if he follows NIO, NIO, you would see, I mean, there's a lot of potential. Like I said, NIO has squeezed from like $3 to trading over $14 as we speak, just in the last 3 months, which is kind of crazy. So I'm super excited. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do you think, oh, Mr. V is another Chinese company, who can trust them? Or you think, boy, these guys are coming? Or maybe as an investor, I don't care if it's a Chinese company or if it's a company from space. All I care is that it has good financials and can make me some money. That's all I care about. So let me know in the comment section. And as always, guys, do your own research. Don't just listen to me. Make sure you go to their website, read about the company, read their perspectives, and see all the information they've provided to the SEC. It's public information, so you can read that before you can make your own decision, before this company go public, and so you can actually see it, know whether it's a buy for you or not. Actually, for me, I'm jumping in from day one. I think it's a buy. I'm going to pick it at the lowest that there is and just hang on to it and see where that goes. China has a very massive market. We're talking about over 1.5 billion people. So 10,000 cars to me is nothing in China. I'm pretty sure they're going to sell a ton of cars, a ton of SUVs, and not just in the Chinese market. I think they're going to start expanding outside China and all the other Asian markets. So I'm thinking maybe people in North Korea wants to drive electric cars, they'll buy from China because they can't make it there. And so all the other Asian market, you're probably going to see China exporting these SUVs to those parts of the world. So I'm super excited, guys. And as always, stay motivated.